Got an oil change due message on your 2011-2013 Dodge Durango? This video will show you how to reset the oil life monitor. These Durangos use a system that estimates oil life based on driving conditions, not just mileage. You'll need to reset it after each oil change. Newer OBD2 scanners can do this wirelessly, but we'll focus on the built-in method. Make sure your Durango is parked with the engine off, but the key is in the on position, not starting the engine. First, press the menu button on your steering wheel to access the EVIX screen. Scroll through the options using the arrow buttons until you find Vehicle Info or something similar, then look for Oil Life Reset. The exact wording might vary slightly depending on your Durango's trim. Once you've found Oil Life Reset, press and hold the OK or Reset button for 2 to 3 seconds. The display should confirm the reset, showing 100% oil life or a reset message. After the reset, drive a short distance for the system to recalibrate. Always reset only after changing the oil to avoid engine damage.